News, the Weather Authority.
Well, welcome back in. Not a bad day for us out there as temperatures overachieved quite a bit here across the Bluegrass and in southern Kentucky. Basically a repeat of yesterday with temps warm in the mid to upper 30s for most. Some low 40s across southern Kentucky. As we go into the overnight tonight, though, cold changes are in store. We're now at 31 degrees, but you can already see the colder pool of air starting to work in from the north. Still some melting in the mid to upper 30s in southern Kentucky as some clouds work through there, holding them steady for now. The flurries remain to the north and east. We won't see much of that the rest of tonight. Could get a couple of flakes, but cloud cover clearing out a little bit. This high pressure center is bringing in some much colder temperatures behind that little bit of a front that we had come through. Some northwest flow and mid-level moisture might squeak out a few more flurries, especially to the northeast. But the big thing for us here tonight is that we are going to see those temperatures tumble quite a bit. Watch futurecasts come through, keeping the snow well to the east, clearing us out by 10 o'clock, which means those single-digit air temps are likely as you wake up tomorrow morning, getting pretty close to zero, if not falling below that as we go into about 7 or 8 a.m. Then, as we go into the afternoon, the cold temperatures are going to linger into the low 20s for most, some mid to upper 20s in southern Kentucky, but sunshine in store for you. As we get into Thursday, some periods where those temperatures will drop back towards the single digits briefly, but some cloud cover and slightly warmer air starts to work in. The cloud cover and this clipper low that comes through is going to bring us the chance for some light snow showers or flurry activity now on Thursday. Basically like today's system, only this one looks like it's moving a little bit closer to us, so chances look a little bit better. Still very light overall, expecting that to blow through town pretty quick. Temperatures go back into the 30s with maybe a few more lingering flurries Thursday night before we take ourselves into a warm-up towards Friday. Wind chills into tomorrow morning could reach the negatives at times. We'll have those temperatures feel like the upper teens to the 20s tomorrow with some breezy winds from the west to northwest. Same story early Thursday with some near zero wind chills, but then as we go throughout the day, they go back towards the 20s and they hold there for us as this cold air lingers. Now, the good news I have is that that cold air gets out of town for us, and by Friday we get a little bit more southwesterly flow. That's going to help us push high temperatures above 40 both Friday and on Saturday, but unfortunately does not last long. The system that's going to bring that warmth also pulls down much colder air. We get a bit of an Arctic blast again as we go into the beginning of next week. Cold like we've got coming in the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. The next big thing with that is a chance for some scattered showers. That's coming in Saturday morning, more so than anything else, and lingering throughout a good chunk of the day. And then we have that scattered activity try to turn over to some light snow for early Sunday. Snow flurry is going to be possible for us throughout the day on Sunday, and that could also leak into Monday as well. So your 7-day forecast, to recap it all, we're going to start to climb tomorrow. We're going to peak on Friday, Saturday, and then it's right back down to the cold into next week.